Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how you can add custom fonts to Cricut Design Space on a Mac computer. There are some free fonts included on Cricut Design Space, but many of them require Cricut Access, which is a monthly subscription that you pay extra for. But there are tons of free fonts you can download online, and luckily it's super easy to upload them into Cricut Design Space. Let's do it! There are many different free font websites out there, but I typically use this one called fontspace.com. It has thousands of free downloadable fonts with collections you can browse through, or you can search for what you're looking for. They also have a large selection of commercial use fonts, and if you're someone who sells your projects, it's definitely a good idea to use fonts that specify they are free for commercial use to avoid any licensing violations. So once you've found the font you want to use, you can scroll down and click Download. Then you can open up your Finder app on your Mac, and there should be a folder under your downloads with the name of the font. Or it might be a zip file that you can double-click and it should unzip to show a folder like this as well. Inside the folder, there should be a file with .otf or .ttf at the end of the file name. When you double-click that file, it will open up a preview of the font and you can hit Install Font, which will add it to a program on your Mac called FontBook. Once it's installed into FontBook, you can use it in many different places on your Mac computer, including Cricut Design Space. So now when we open up Cricut Design Space and add some text to our canvas, you should be able to find what you just installed by searching its name in the font bar. If you already had Cricut Design Space open when you installed the font, you might have to quit the program and reopen it before it will show up in your font library. But once you've installed it to FontBook, it should just show up there automatically. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. See you later!